In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet Pro M1136 Multifunction printer here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you have opened it, please type for HP LaserJet Pro M1136 MFP or Multifunction Printer Driver and click on the Enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'll be able to see a result. So please proceed to the first one under support.hp.com. Click on this link and wait until you would be navigated to a new page where you can see this multifunction printer driver. Okay, so here you need to proceed first with detected operating system. If your Windows 11 is not being detected automatically, go with choose a different OS. Click on this down arrow key here at the drop down menu, and please select for Windows 11 and then click on update to set it. Once done, you need to scroll down here and locate for this driver product installation software, and there you can see this software and driver. Click on this download, and eventually you can now start the downloading process. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. So to check the download progress, please navigate to the top right corner. You can see there a download icon. Click on it and wait until the file would be completed. In my case, I have already downloaded it as what I have said earlier. And once you are done as well, click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click and click on this cat icon. Once done, close the windows being opened, and here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. Once you have successfully moved the file here, okay, let me just set it that one. You need to double tap to unzip or extract the file, or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So go with extract to and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Okay, so once done, before we continue to the installation, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, so you miss any of our upcoming tutorial, we would really appreciate your support. So let's move on to the installation. By navigating here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key in your keyboard, and in that way or manner you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, please navigate to the left pane and locate with the option called Bluetooth and devices. And once done, okay, wait until it would be appear first. Once it's here, go with printers and scanners and go with this option called add device. Click on this one and wait until you can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually. And in a few moments, you would be able to open a new window like this. Please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB port. So it could be one, two, or three. But if you have the NHP port, you can use that as well. So click on next here, and you need to click on have disk and click on browse. And since our started file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate to the desktop. And from that, you need to scroll down and proceed to our extracted file. Double tap here and then scroll down on the list and navigate to any of this driver. So this all functions similarly actually. So click on open and click on the OK button. And then here you need to locate for your for our driver, which is this one, M1136, go with next and click on next, and it will now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next. Click on finished and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet Pro M1136 Multifunction printer in your Windows 11. So close the window and you're good to go. Now if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.